Ready? Start. I wish to suggest very seriously that if protection is to be given to any industry, particularly for the first time, the period of protection should be at least 2 years in the first instance, if not 3 years. Stop. My reasons for this suggestion are, in the first place, that when protection is given to any industry, it is on the basis of the recommendation of the Tariff Commission. Stop. Now, for instance, protection is given to an industry from 1st January 2005 for 1 year for the first time. Stop. The industry itself will not be able to know its real position, and it will not be able to feel its way. Stop. It must be in a position to feel its way. Stop. The object of giving protection is to be enable the industry concerned to plan for its future production, to find out the possibilities of marketing its product, and also to build itself up to meet the domestic demand as it grows. Stop. Unless the industry concerned is able to stimulate the domestic demand, in which case it will have to step up its production, it will not be able to establish itself. Stop. So, from this point of view, the industry ought to be given sufficient time to stabilize itself. Stop. Stanza. From another point of view, if the protection given to an industry is to be continued or to be discontinued, the Tariff Commission will have to sit again and report on the real position of the industry concerned, and will have to start its inquiry within a period over